If you have a laptop or want to buy a used laptop, here's how to quickly check the battery's health on Windows and Mac. No apps, no downloads, no paid diagnostic tools. It's built right in. It takes 60 seconds to access, and most people have no idea it exists. Click the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Click Yes on the permission prompt. Type the following command exactly as I show it on screen: power cfg/battery report. Press Enter. Windows will run the report and display a message telling you the file has been saved, along with the exact file path where it was stored. Now here's a quick way to open it. Click on the file path in the command prompt output, copy, then open your browser. Chrome, Edge, Firefox, whatever you use, paste the path directly into the address bar and press Enter. Now let's read what it's telling you. Scroll down to the Installed Batteries section near the top of the report. You'll see two numbers side by side: design capacity, what your battery was built to hold, measured in milliwatt hours; full charge capacity, what it can actually hold today. Now divide the number of full charge capacity by the number of design capacity, then multiply the result by 100. The result obtained is the percentage of the battery's health status. Here's how to interpret the comparison. If full charge capacity is 90% or more of design capacity, your battery is in excellent health, nothing to worry about. If it's between 75% and 90%, normal wear for a battery that's been used regularly for a year or two, still performing well. If it drops below 75%, your battery has noticeably degraded. You'll be seeing shorter battery life, and it may be worth considering a replacement, depending on how much longer you plan to use the laptop. If it's below 50%, the battery is significantly worn. You're probably already experiencing noticeably short runtime and plugging in far more frequently than you used to. Shout out to Mac users. If you have a Mac, it's even easier. Open Settings, click Battery, then Battery Health, and you'll see the percentage displayed. Drop your design capacity versus full charge capacity numbers in the comments. I'm curious what people are seeing out there. If this quick tip was useful, a like takes 2 seconds, and subscribing means you'll catch more Windows tips like this every week. Thanks for watching.